Help your child finish their homework within 3 simple steps. So this is the topic for today, where I'm getting a lot of queries where parents start asking, ma'am, it's becoming a very highly challenging point to make the child come to do the homework, finish their homework on daily basis. It becomes a very big struggle. So is it the problem with the child or problem with a lot of homework with the school? Please write it in the comment box whether there's a problem with the child or problem with the school, because this has to be a debatable topic where right now children are being given with a lot of homework which is beyond their age appropriate level, and expectancy to write more than 10-15 pages with a lot of homeworks is really causing the trouble for the child. And the parents is also pressurized every day to put more force on the child. So what we should be doing to help the child in the process so that they love to do their work? So today I'm going to discuss with you the 3 simple factors which can help you overcome this issue. The first and foremost thing is the parent, when the children comes back from school, we often start saying this, hey, are you back from school? Come, get ready, we have to do the homework. So we have been often bothering the child or bombarding the child the moment they come back from school, and regularly keep telling them for the next 1 hour to come do the homework, come do the homework. First, let's stop forcing the child the moment they come back from the school. And the second and the foremost thing, if you are not forcing the child, what you should be doing? First, you should allow the child to have a 90 minutes of gap before they start their homework from the time when they come back from school. And during that 90 minutes of gap, what you should be doing? You should be doing the following things which I'm going to share with you. First thing is, allow the child to have some refreshing food or drinks where they gain the energy. Second thing is, allow the child to have a relaxation play time where they let out their stress by sweating and let out their stress by happily enjoying. Third thing is, allow the child to have a relaxation screen time for 30-20 minutes of TV or mobile. So this is another third level. Fourth thing what you should be doing is, allow the child to do some household work along with you, which relaxes and calms the child. So during that 90 minutes, if you're going to do that, you're already preparing the child to become more tolerant towards sitting, more tolerance towards listening, and making the child calm. So the first simple step is, don't force and instead do this for 90 minutes. The second thing which you should be doing is, have an everyday routine of schedule to do the homework. And when you are having that routine, it should be done on a same place at the same time. Like before they go for eating or before they have their energy drink in the evening, you should be having a routine wherein which the child is allowed to sit in that certain specific place and do the homework. So when the time and when the place is fixed for every day, the moment the child goes and sits there, the brain automatically starts towards gearing to do the work. In one way, you can help this habitual process to get the brain to get interested to do it. And when they are sitting in, give them the choice on which homework they want to do and how many pages they want to do, and give them a time parameter. So could you complete 2 pages within 15 minutes? Could you complete this 4 pages in 30 minutes? So give them choice and give them certain amount of time period wherein which they are given the freedom to choose make their choice, and they are given the time to do that work. So this is about the second important factor of creating a schedule, having a same place and time with the freedom of choice. Third, last but not least. So third, last but not least, is some of the activities which you can help your child to increase the sensitization for writing and strength for writing. Many of the parents complain, they start doing the homework but they say my hand is paining, or they start doing the homework that they don't want to complete it because it's a long writing. So what you should be doing is, first you should help the fingers to get sensitized, and second, the strengthening of the fingers to write for a long period of time, so that when they sit for writing, they are having enough strength and interest to do it. So what you should be doing, 2 simple activities which you can do is, when they say the hand is paining, you can allow the child to have a tray which is filled with rubber or sand and ask them to write on it. Okay, anything which they want to write words, write letters, draw anything, or they can sensitize the hand with the rough surfaces of the sand. This sensitizes the hand. On another day, when they say there is a pain, then you can give them some clay, ask the child to do the clay pressing. They can roll it, they can make different shapes, ask them to make some dinosaurs or ask them to make some car. They will love to do it. This actually helps the child to build the strength for writing. So when you should be doing, before the child starts to sit in a place, and when you're giving him the freedom of choice, ask them to do this work and then start writing. Their volume of writing and time for writing actually increases a lot. So keep in mind the following three things. Don't force them. Give them a 90 minutes of relaxation. Give them a schedule wherein which they sit in one place and do the work, and also give them the choice on which homework they want to do. Third thing is, give them every day a sand writing, sand sensitization and clay pressing activities, which builds the sensitizing and strengthening for the fingers to write. Hope this helps you, and let me know in the comment box whether the school is burdening or not. And the third thing, following the 3 steps which I gave you, how it has helped you. So I can help you more in the process in my next videos. Thank you.